Alright guys, I want to show you something I did on the truck. Um, so, a while back I uploaded a video about how to make a Turbomaster manual wastegate. And that was this eye bolt and this little spring. And it worked, but it just wasn't very responsive. So I decided to make a new one, which works the same way as a Heath one or a Kennedy one or a quote-unquote real one. And basically what I did was I took the factory wastegate housing, cut the top half of it off, and basically gutted it. So all this is this piece of angled steel with a little cup on top. And then this is, I think 5/16 threaded rod, with the end of it being bent in a hook shape to hook onto the arm of the wastegate on the turbo. And then up here, there's a little washer, then a big washer, then a spring, a compression spring, and then a big washer, a little washer, and then two nuts. And basically the way this works is as the pressure inside the turbo builds, this arm wants to move back, but the tension of the compression spring is acting against that, which is what keeps the wastegate closed. And then once that spring tension is overcome, this is able to open. Now the way that you adjust how much boost you make is with the tension on those nuts. So if you tighten down and put more tension on this spring, you'll build more boost because there's going to be that much more resistance because of the compression on that spring. And then if you loosen it, that spring will be under less compression and it will be easier for it to open. And now what I'm going to do is just start up the truck. The new setup is a lot more responsive than the old setup, and it works pretty darn well. Let's see if this will stay. I guess you're going to watch it upside down. Still sounds good. And this is a cold start.